Sending coupons is one thing. Tracking who uses them is where the real value begins. With CronySoft Cart and Reward Dashboard, you can review coupon activity, customer engagement, visits, and communication credits all from one screen. In this video, we'll go over the Cart and Reward Dashboard inside the CronySoft BackOffice CRM module. To begin, go to the CRM, then click Cart and Reward Dashboard, or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once the Cart and Reward Dashboard opens, you will see a complete overview of coupon and customer reward activity. At the top, you can see the current filter date range. You could use the filter button to select a different date range or click refresh to reload the latest dashboard information. This dashboard helps you understand how your coupons and rewards are performing over time. At the top of the dashboard, you will see summary cards. These cards show important coupon totals including coupons created, total coupon value, coupon redeemed, average coupon value redeemed, and coupon used rate. These cards give you a quick snapshot of how many coupons were created, how much value was offered, how much was redeemed, and how often customers actually using the coupons. For example, if coupons are being created but not redeemed, that may mean the offer needs to be adjusted, promoted better, or sent to a different group of customers. Next, review the coupon issued and usage chart. This chart compares the number of coupons issued versus the number of coupons that were used. You can see different coupon types such as dollar coupons, percent coupons, special links, and item group links. This helps managers understand which type of promotions are getting the most activity. Next is the new versus repeated customers section. This chart shows the difference between new customers and repeated customers. This is useful because it helps you understand whether your promotions are bringing in new customers or encouraging existing customers to come back. If your repeated customer is strong, that means your loyalty and reward activity is helping bringing customers back. The coupon engagement section shows how many customers engaged or did not engage with the coupon activity. This helps you understand whether customers are interacting with the offers being sent. If engagement is low, you may want to review the coupon message, offer value, customer selection, or campaign timing. The shift-wise customer chart shows customer activity by shift or time of the day. This helps you understand when customers are visiting the store most often. For example, customer activity may be higher in the morning, afternoon, evening, or night. This information can help managers plan promotion based on customer traffic patterns. The customer visitors chart shows customer visit activity over time. You can switch the view by monthly, weekly, hourly, or daily. This helps store owners review customer traffic trends and understand when customers are visiting the most. You can use this information to plan SMS campaigns, reward offers, or coupons during the best time periods. On the right side, you will see the communication credits section. This shows the remaining credits available for communication features such as SMS and voice calls. You can also see the number of SMS sent and voice calls used. If credits are low or unavailable, you can click Recharge Credits. When you click Recharge Credits, a pop-up will show different credit packages. You can choose a package based on the number of credits needed. Some packages may also include free bonus credits. Select the package you want, then continue with the payment. If a payment method is not already saved, the system may ask you to add an account. You can choose a payment method such as card or bank transfer. You can also mark the payment method as default if needed. Once the payment method is added, you can continue with the credit purchase. The Cart and Reward Dashboard is useful because it gives managers a clear view of coupon performance and customer engagement. Instead of only sending coupons, you can track how many coupons were created, how much coupons value was offered, how many coupons were redeemed, which promotion types are being used, whether customers are new or returning, when customers are visiting, and how many communication credits are available. This helps stores make better decisions when planning SMS campaigns, loyalty rewards, and coupon promotions. And that's all from me today for the Cart and Reward Dashboard tutorial. I'll see you guys over in our next tutorial.